Board of Directors of Vijaya Bank today approved the reviewed financial results of the bank for quarter/9 months for the period ended 31st December 2014. The highlights are deposits is up by 8.03%, advances up by 8.26%, interest income up by 10.51%, net interest income is up by 12.14%, total income is up by 14.89%. Operating profit is up by 109% on year-to-year basis, and net profit is improved by more than 200%. The gross NPAs remain under 3%, that's at 2.92%, and net NPA stand at 1.89%. Our provisional coverage ratio has further improved at 65.77%, and CRAR under Basel III stands at 10.57%. So business YOY growth, total business for the period ended 31st December 2014 registered a growth of 8.12% and increased to 2,03,187 crore from 1,87,935 crore as on 31st December 2013. Deposits have increased from 1,14,835 crore as on 31st December 2013 to rupees 1,24,051 crores as on 31st December 2014, up by 8.03%. CASA is increased from 20,488 crores to 23,671 crores in the corresponding period, which is up by 15.54%. The percentage of CASA deposits has also improved to 19.08% from 17.84% a year ago. Advances have increased to 79,136 crores as on 31st December 2014 from 73,100 crores as on 31st December 2013, up by 8.26%. Of the advances, the priority sector portfolio is increased by 24.73%, that is from 22,008 crores as on 31st December 2013 to 27,450 crores as on 31st December 2014. Direct agriculture advances increased by 15.80% to rupees 7,074 crores as on 31st December 2014. Total retail advances have increased from 17,609 crores as on 31st has increased to 17,609 crore as on 31st December 2014 from 15,090 crore as on 31st December 2013, up by 16.69%. With this, retail advances constitute 22.25% of my total advances. Advances to weaker section increased by 26.25%, and advances to women beneficiaries have increased by 19.15% on year-to-year basis. Interest income on the advances for 3 months period ended 31st December 2014 increased to 2,140 crores against 1,943 crores a year ago. Income on investments for Quarter 3 of financial year 2014-15 registered a year-to-year growth of 24.47 growth, that is increased to 824 crores from rupees 662 crores for the 3 months period ended 31st December 2014. Total income of the bank for 3 months ended 31st December 14 has increased to 3,303 crores as against 2,875 crores during the last year. For the 9 months, interest income on advances for 9 months for the period ended 31st December 2014 increased to all-time high to 6,416 crores as against 5,711 crores for the corresponding period. Income on investments for the 9 months period as on 31st December 2014 registered an YOY growth of 30.25%, and which has increased to 2,467 crores from 1,894 crores a year ago. So total income of the bank for the 9 months period ended 31st December 2014 increased to 9,746 crores as against 8,387 crores for the 9 months period ended 31st December 2013. The operating profit for the quarter ended December 2014 has increased by 109% to 350.53 crores, and net profit has increased by 228.36% to 37.40 crores. For the 9 months period, ended 31st December 2014, operating profit of the bank has increased to 946 crores, up by 22.79%, and the bank posted net profit of 342.61 crore, which is higher by 22.33% when compared to 280.07 crores for the corresponding quarter of the previous year. The asset quality continues to be better than the peer group. Bank's gross NPA ratio as on 31st December 2014 is 2.92%, and net NPA ratio of the bank as on 31st December 2014 is 1.89%. The provision coverage ratio of the bank is at 65.77% as on 31st December 2014. The CRAR capital to risk weighted assets ratio is at 10.57% under Basel III norms, with Tier 1 ratio at 7.82% and Tier 2 ratio at 2.75%, which is above the minimum level stipulated by Reserve Bank of India. The bank has issued Tier 2 compliant bonds of Rs 500 crores in the month of October 2014 and are also in the process of getting Tier 1 bonds during the current quarter. Total number of branches have increased to 1,565 to 30 as on 31st December 2014, and the total number of ATMs has increased to 1,568 as on 31st December 2014. The total staff strength stood at 13,686.